Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Today I am going to make some festival and some Escovitch saltfish. So right here I have 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar or white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of nutmeg. Right here I have 2 tablespoons of butter and 1.5 table of baking powder. I want to mix this in well. Tablespoon of baking powder. Now my hand is clean, so now I'm going to go in, mix this in until it look like breadcrumbs. Now guys, you can see look like breadcrumbs. So now I have about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm going to make a hole in the center. So now guys, I'm going to set this aside for an half an hour and I'm going to get started on my sauce, Escovitch sauce. So now guys, I have 3 different color sweet pepper, carrot, good old scotchy, and onion, my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta. Now my onion. So now guys that all of my vegetables cut up, I'm gonna set it aside and get started on my festival. So now guys, it's time to make my festival. Give it a one. This is how you want it guys, sticky. Now guys, gonna add my festival to my frying pan. Check in guys, golden brown. Golden brown. So now I'm going to remove my first set of festival. So now guys, I'm gonna add my saltfish to my oil. Guys, my saltfish is coming on nicely. So now I'm gonna get into making my Escovitch sauce. This is 1 cup of vinegar. Now guys, I'm gonna add some pimento and all of my vegetables and turn it on. Everything at once. beautiful. You can smell the Scotch bonnet pepper. The flavor is smells so good. Now guys, my saltfish is finished. I'm removing them from the oil. So guys, here is my finished result. Beautiful. See? So now, I got taste. See? Tastes so good. Come Sister Natasha, come taste.
Okay, let me taste the festival.
Honest opinion over here.
Okay, good. Feel soft. Soft and spongy and nice.
Yes, good down.
The Jamaican festival.
Me fi tell you. Tastes so good. This is an all-time favorite. Any day a week. Especially on a Friday when they not cook.
Exactly.
Make thing, yeah.
Escovitch. Saltfish.
Delicious. Okay, so good.
Tastes so good. So good.
Need to try this at home, guys.
Sure.
You'll love it.
Sure.
Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Excellent cooking.
Thank you. Tell a friend fi tell a friend. A member say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.